For the first time ever, I'll be unboxing and reviewing a smartphone in my channel. So before we begin, make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new here, and let me know if you own an OnePlus device in the comment section below. Alright, so let's get started. Vanakkam, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel. So finally I have the OnePlus Nord in my hands, which is one of the most anticipated smartphones in the 2020. Now let's unbox this. Oops, forgot to mention guys, I've already unboxed it because I was using it for a couple of hours. So don't spam in the comment section for clickbait or something. You know, everything which comes out of the box is basically unboxing. Jokes apart guys, let me take it. Wow, just look at the color. OnePlus never fails to amaze us. It looks absolutely amazing guys. I have been using the OnePlus device for almost 4 to 5 years since the OnePlus 3T came out. They have been the game changers in the smartphone industry. Recently well known for their epic evolution and ultimate upgrades. And moving on to the OnePlus Nord, let's roll in the spec sheet. The size is 6.44 inch and the resolution is 2400 x 1080 pixels. Refresh rate is around 90 Hz and it can be switched to 60 Hz as well. Display type is Fluid AMOLED. Glass type is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Operating system Oxygen OS based on Android 10. CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. GPU is Adreno 620. It has connectivity up to 5G support guys. The RAM is 16GB variant, which I have in my hand, is 256GB, the higher end model of the device. The battery is 4115 mAh. It supports warp charging up to 30T, which is fast charging 5 volt and 6 volt. Yes. Now let's go to the camera guys. The front camera is a dual punch hole camera. It's dual punch hole camera guys of 32 megapixel primary lens of Sony IMX616. The secondary camera is 8 megapixel for wide angle selfie. The back camera main lens is Sony IMX586, which is 48 megapixel. The ultra wide angle lens is 8 megapixel and the depth lens is 5 megapixel and the macro lens is 2 megapixel with dual LED flash. The video supports up to 4K 60 FPS guys. Now let's try some 60 to 90 Hz refresh rate. Here it's 90 Hz as default. Let's try to 60 Hz. You can see the difference guys. Wait, I will show you 90 Hz. Now I will switch on to 90 Hz guys. Now you can see the display is 90 Hz and it's ultra smooth. Now let's take a look at the camera samples we just got. This is the close-up shot of the minions which I took, and this is the wide shot of the minions which I took. And in the front camera, shot, this clarity is amazing guys. That's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. That's the secret to long life.